How to verify AI translations. AI translation is quickly becoming a new normal. Companies, individuals, students, academics and professional translators are using AI at a certain level. AI-generated content, especially in data-rich languages like English, French, Spanish or German, look very nice. But is it always accurate? Or does it have the right tone, register and style? Even more importantly, does it sound authentic or follow a regular pattern, and therefore your translation sounds like a million other ChatGPT users? How to verify all this? The answer is not a simple yes or no. There are different use cases. AI is more successful and requires less review in certain domains, yet it may struggle in translating other types of content. 1. Hire an experienced editor or learn how to act like an editor. An experienced editor will guide you on which AI model to choose and whether it really saves time or is it better to work with a human translator in the first place, because it will take more time to correct so many random errors made by the AI. If you want to review the AI translation yourself, make sure to be a good researcher and facts checker. AI may easily make up ideas that does not exist. Review AI translation for accuracy, terminology and clarity. And enhance its word choices with better synonyms. Identify your brand's unique style and tone and give a final polish up accordingly. 2. Use a translation memory and terminology management tool. You do not want to correct AI translation for the same sentences every day. You need a platform to store your previous translations, add your corporate, academic terminology and run an automated quality assurance (QA) against the history of your translations, your choice of words and terminology. And if you have multiple content generators in your company, you'd better choose a team license. We use Nubuto, a localized version of XDM Cloud, and it saves us a lot of time and effort. Some of our clients in the medical care have reduced time to translate 3 pages patient report from 2 hours to under 10 minutes. 3. Train AI. You can create your own version of ChatGPT, your own Google Translate, via Google Auto ML, your unique Systran or your terminology-enriched DeepL. Trained custom mount engines perform 30 to 40% better than generic AI solutions. Dragoman experts can give you guidance on how to do this. 4. Appreciate talent. Hire better translators and experienced editors. Work with world-class translation agencies like Dragoman. You may save a few dollars today for choosing the cheapest alternative, but you will be missing the lifetime opportunity of working with a great linguist. Talents and experts are rare, they charge more per the hour and they create much more value. 5. Identify your checkpoints, quality level and saving goals. You can reduce translation time and spending of car manuals by 90% with proper use of AI, translation management tool and good terminology. An experienced editor can complete hundreds of pages of car manuals in a week, and it will read very nicely. ChatGPT can give you quick and good enough translations of a personal blog or social media post. You will access to a greater audience with ease. But be careful with using idiomatic language. Sometimes it translates literally and funny. However, your savings on mission-critical content translation, legal report translation or diplomatic statements will be less. The better you train AI, the larger your translation memory becomes and the more experienced your translation team becomes, the faster and better output will be available. Consider AI-powered translation as an investment, not a one-off saving opportunity. Work with TB best available translators and editors, and your content will be beautiful in all languages.